In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the EVAP canister in this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. I'm going to pop these hoses off, just squeeze this bottom one, and it slides right off. This one in the middle, you just push the two tabs in. Pop that off. And the top one, you just push on the bottom. Push it up. Once that goes up, you should be able to slide that off. Sometimes there's a little bit of dirt in there, like this one. And it slides off. Using a 13mm socket, take this nut off. This bracket will come off. You can grab the charcoal canister and slide it out. Just grab this bracket off the canister, just give it a wiggle, and it slides right off. And you need to take this retainer off as well. Just pull up, and it unfolds and it slides right up. Put that clip on the new one, locks right down. And this bracket is going to slide on just like the old one came off. Just like that. And I'll slide this in position. Get the hoses out of the way. Take the nut, get that started, and tighten that down. Take the hoses, line those up, and lock them down until they click. Same with this one. And the bottom one.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.